Rugged Records. You know me, Rugged man. Know how to start somehow. Nigerians. Hip hop, hip hop.
You make me feel like touch my angel. Is there anything that you wanna do? So I wanna elevate you, love you. Oh, you make me feel like touch my angel. Is there anything that you wanna do? So I wanna elevate you, love you.
I remember the year 89, that was when we first met. It was love at first sight, the way my heart flooded, I'll never forget. I couldn't get my eyes on soul of you, all I did was think of you. I just wanted the world to feel my connection with you. I thought of pictures with you, I thought of rolling in my whip, I thought of strolling in my crib with you. I just couldn't get you out of my system. You was a virus, I was down to be your soul victim. My heart goes anytime I turn on the TV or my radio. You make me rush to pick up paper and pen to put words down for you. It hasn't changed since then.
You make me feel like touch my angel. Is there anything that you wanna do? So I wanna elevate you, love you. Oh, you make me feel like touch my angel. Is there anything that you wanna do? So I wanna elevate you, love you.
Our elevation process was flawless. The progress we made, even words couldn't relate. But regardless, our bond still grew stronger, despite the fact that none was getting younger. I wanted the next level, to go further. You was with me, yes, time went by like Bonnie and Clyde. You was there when I laughed or cried, when I got into school, when I still didn't know what the hell I wanted to do with my life. You was a friend, a sister, and wife. You was there when I went from no verse to first verse, and went forth to verses stronger than the strength of 100 horses. Times I was victorious to when I counted losses. The fact that you're still with me is the strongest of all forces.
I feel like an angel.
For hip hop, hip hop.
Like an angel.
Yeah.
I like the way you hold me. I love the way you feel.
Hip hop,
I like the way you touch.
hip
I love
hop,
the way you let me
hip hop,
be everything I want.
Nigerian hip
I
hop.
like the way you.
Yeah.
You make me feel like touch my angel. Oh, is there anything that you wanna do? So I wanna elevate you, love you. Oh, you make me feel like touch my angel.
Okay.
Is there anything that you wanna do? So I wanna elevate you, love you.
It's obvious that I'm crazy about rap music. Started for me way back in 1989, and Rugged Man has been doing it ever since, putting a face to Nigerian rap, you know what I'm saying?